Okay, menopause, big subject. I'm 54, finally in the middle of menopause. I do have a few of hot flashes and feeling a little bit hotter than usual. But yeah, you are gonna really sail through menopause if you manage your stress hormones. It is essential. If you want to manage your endocrine system, you need to learn how to manage your stress hormones. Adrenaline, cortisol, you've got to self-regulate and decompress every day if you want to find your balance in your endocrine system. And also, of course, healthier eating, rebounding. Rebounding is phenomenal. Through steam, 2 to 3 times a week steam. Steam sessions releases a lot of toxins from the lymphatic system, which helps release a lot of menopausal symptoms. So move the body, walk every day. Every day you must at least walk for 30 minutes. And 2 to 3 times a week some muscle training. But yeah, I'm sailing through this menopause thing and I'm amazed. No HRT patches for me. All natural. If you want to know more, comment menopause below and we can chat.